Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have admin or editor rights, because only those roles can add services. Open the Facebook page on desktop. Once done, go to the page menu and click Services or Edit Page, then Templates and Tabs to enable services. Prepare names, short descriptions, prices, durations, and images before you click Add. This speeds things up and ensures consistent listings. You do this now to avoid interruptions mid-entry and to keep your page professional and searchable. You click Add Service and enter a clear, searchable title and category. This helps people find you. Then type a concise description that explains benefits and include keywords naturally so Facebook search surfaces it. Make sure to set price and duration and upload 1 to 3 quality images. These improve conversions. If you offer bookings, add your booking link or enable appointments. Once saved, review the preview and adjust any text or image alignment so the listing looks correct. You publish the service and then verify visibility on desktop and mobile because layouts differ. If you need to update price or photos, edit the listing rather than delete it. This preserves history and analytics. If the Services tab is missing, make sure it's enabled in Templates and Tabs, confirm your page role, and consider feature rollout delays. Facebook sometimes rolls out features gradually. If problems persist, toggle templates or try another browser, and then recheck permissions before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.